Welcome to Integration Fundamentals. Let's discover how systems talk to each other. This means enabling different applications to exchange data automatically, like passing messages. For example, when a sales system processes an order, it can instantly notify the warehouse system to prepare the shipment. This seamless communication is the foundation of modern business processes. We will learn why integration matters You will understand basic integration concepts. This means learning how different systems and applications connect to share data and automate processes. For example, when a sales order in SAP automatically updates inventory in a warehouse system. Mastering these connections will enable you to build efficient business solutions. Perfect for your first time with SAP BTP. This means we will start with the basics, assuming no prior experience. For example, you will learn how to connect your sales system to email services to automatically send order confirmations. This foundational knowledge will give you the confidence to build more advanced integrations later. System integration connects applications to share data and processes. Different systems working together as one team. This means separate software applications communicate and share data seamlessly. For example, your CRM system automatically updates the finance system when a sale occurs. This unified approach ensures all parts of your business operate in harmony, boosting overall efficiency and providing a single source of truth. Sharing information automatically between applications. This means different software programs connect and exchange data without manual effort. For example, when a sales order is created in SAP S/4HANA, it can instantly update inventory levels in a warehouse management system. This seamless flow eliminates errors and saves valuable time across your business operations. Like connecting puzzle pieces to complete a picture. This means linking separate systems so they work together seamlessly. For example, connecting your SAP sales system with an external shipping service to automatically create delivery orders. Each piece contributes to the full business process, ensuring smooth operations and data flow across your organization. Making separate systems communicate smoothly. This means connecting different software applications so they can automatically share data and work together. For example, when a customer order in your online store automatically updates the inventory count in your warehouse system. This seamless flow of information eliminates manual work and prevents errors. Why do we need integration? Avoid manual data entry between systems. This means no more typing the same information into different software. For instance, when an employee is hired in SuccessFactors, their details should automatically appear in the payroll system. This automation saves significant time and prevents costly human errors, making your entire operation much more efficient and reliable. Keep information consistent across all applications. This means ensuring all your systems display the same, up-to-date data. For instance, when a customer's address is updated in your CRM, it should automatically and immediately change in your billing and shipping systems too. This synchronization is fundamental for operational accuracy and building customer trust. Save time and reduce errors. This means automating manual steps so work gets done faster and without human mistakes. For example, instead of manually copying sales data between systems, integration automatically syncs it correctly. This efficiency lets your team focus on more valuable tasks instead of fixing problems. Make better decisions with complete data. This means having all necessary information from every system, not just fragments, so you can analyze accurately. For example, connecting sales and inventory systems lets you see real-time stock levels when processing orders, preventing overselling. With full visibility, your strategic choices are informed and reliable. Common business integration scenarios. Connecting sales system with accounting system. This means automatically sharing sales data like invoices and payments between departments. For example, when a salesperson closes a deal, the invoice details are instantly sent to accounting for billing and revenue tracking. This integration ensures financial records are always accurate and up to date. Linking HR system with payroll system. This ensures employee data like hours worked seamlessly transfers for salary calculation. For example, when an employee's overtime hours in the HR system automatically update their pay in the payroll system. This automation eliminates manual entry and prevents errors, ensuring accurate and timely payroll processing. Joining customer service with inventory system. This means connecting your customer support platform to your stock management software. For example, when a customer calls about product availability, the agent instantly sees real-time stock levels without switching systems. This integration eliminates manual checks and ensures accurate customer responses. Integrating online store with warehouse system. This connects your e-commerce platform with inventory management in real time. For example, when a customer orders a laptop online, the warehouse system instantly updates stock levels and triggers shipping. This seamless connection ensures accurate inventory and faster order fulfillment for your business. Real-world integration example demonstrating enterprise connectivity. Customer places order on website. This means a user submits a purchase request through an online store. For instance, someone buys a book from an e-commerce site, triggering an order creation. This action initiates the entire integration flow within SAP BTP, connecting front-end sales to back-end systems. This is the foundational event that starts the business process. Order automatically goes to warehouse system. This means when a customer completes a purchase, the order details are instantly sent to the warehouse without manual entry. For example, after buying online, the system immediately notifies warehouse staff to pick the item. This seamless process ensures rapid fulfillment and reduces errors. Warehouse updates inventory levels. This means when products are sold or received, the warehouse system automatically adjusts stock counts. For example, when a customer buys a laptop online, the system immediately reduces the available laptop quantity by 1. This ensures inventory data is always accurate and up to date for reliable operations. Accounting system creates invoice automatically. This means when a sales order is fulfilled, the system instantly generates the bill without manual input. For instance, after shipping goods, SAP S/4HANA triggers invoice creation in the accounting software, sending it directly to the customer. This automation ensures billing is immediate and error-free, enhancing operational efficiency. Basic integration terms, messages. Messages are pieces of information sent between systems. This means one computer sends data to another, like a digital note. For example, when you buy online, your order details are sent as a message from the website to the warehouse system. This reliable exchange is fundamental to how connected applications operate. Like emails between applications. This means applications exchange structured data packages, similar to how people send emails. For instance, when a sales app updates inventory, it sends a message to the warehouse system to adjust stock levels. This ensures seamless, automated communication between different software systems. Can contain data like orders, customer info, or updates. This means a message is a digital package that carries specific business information from one system to another. For example, when a customer places an online order, a message containing their order details is sent to the warehouse system. This ensures the right data moves reliably between different parts of a business. BTP helps manage these messages securely. This means it ensures data exchanges between systems remain protected from unauthorized access or loss. For example, when a sales order from SAP S/4HANA updates customer records in Salesforce, BTP encrypts and monitors this transfer. This secure handling is essential for reliable business operations. Basic integration terms, connections. Connections are the pathways between systems. This means they are like digital bridges that let different applications securely exchange data. For example, a connection could link your SAP system to a cloud storage service to automatically save invoices. These pathways ensure your systems can reliably communicate and share information. Like roads connecting different cities. Connections are pathways that let different systems communicate, just as roads link physical locations. For example, connecting SAP SuccessFactors to SAP SHRH lets employee data flow between them automatically. These digital routes make sure your business applications work together smoothly. BTP creates safe and reliable connections. This means it securely links your SAP systems with other applications or cloud services, ensuring data is protected and consistently transmitted. For example, it can connect your SAP S/4HANA system to a third-party logistics application for real-time shipping updates. This foundational capability keeps your business processes seamlessly integrated and secure. Ensures data arrives where it needs to go. This means the connection reliably transfers information from its origin to the correct destination system. For example, when a sales order in SAP ERP is automatically sent to a fulfillment system, the connection makes sure it gets there accurately. This reliability is fundamental for all automated business processes. Basic integration terms, endpoints. Endpoints are where systems send and receive data. Think of them as digital addresses that systems use to communicate, like a specific location for data to arrive or depart. For example, a weather app uses an endpoint to request and receive forecast data from a service. This ensures reliable and direct communication between different applications. Like addresses for applications. Endpoints tell systems exactly where to send or receive data, similar to how a home address directs mail. For instance, a weather app uses an endpoint to fetch forecasts from a remote server. This ensures your applications can reliably connect and communicate with other services. Each system has its own endpoint address. This means every application or service has a unique location, like a digital home address for sending and receiving data. For instance, an SAP S/4HANA system and a Salesforce application each have distinct URLs for API communication. Remember, proper integration relies on knowing these specific addresses to connect systems successfully. BTP helps find and connect to these endpoints. This means BTP locates and links to systems or services you want to integrate with. For example, to send customer data from SAP to a cloud storage service, BTP finds the storage services endpoint and establishes the connection. This simplifies how different applications communicate and work together seamlessly. Unlocking business value through seamless system integration. Faster business processes. This means eliminating manual steps and delays between systems, so tasks complete more quickly. For example, when sales and inventory systems are integrated, an order automatically checks stock and updates records without human intervention. This directly accelerates your operational workflows and boosts productivity. Fewer manual errors. When systems are integrated, data flows automatically between them, eliminating the need for people to re-enter information by hand. For example, when a sales order is created in one system, it can automatically create a delivery in the warehouse system without anyone typing it in. This automation significantly reduces the risk of typos and incorrect data entries. Better customer experience. This means customers get seamless, personalized service across all touchpoints. For example, when a customer's online order status and loyalty points update instantly across the website and mobile app, they feel valued and supported. This consistent, responsive interaction builds lasting satisfaction and loyalty. More efficient operations. This means your systems work together smoothly, reducing manual steps and delays. For example, when sales and inventory systems connect, stock updates automatically after each sale. This integration saves time and prevents errors, letting your team focus on value-added tasks instead of data entry. Integration challenges to consider. Different systems speak different languages. This means various applications use unique data formats and protocols, making direct communication impossible. For instance, an e-commerce website using JSO cannot natively exchange order data with a legacy warehouse system that only understands XML. Therefore, a translation layer is essential for them to work together seamlessly. Security is important for protecting data. This means ensuring only authorized people and systems can access or change your information. For example, when integrating payroll and HR systems, strong security prevents unauthorized employees from viewing sensitive salary details. Properly securing your integrations is a fundamental requirement for any business. Systems might change over time. This means the software or data formats you connect today could be updated tomorrow, breaking your integrations. For example, if a CRM system adds a new required field, your integration might fail until it is reconfigured. Always design your integrations to be adaptable to such changes. Need to handle errors gracefully. This means your integration should detect issues and respond without crashing. For example, if a customer payment fails, the system should log the error and notify support instead of halting all orders. Proper error handling keeps business processes running smoothly despite disruptions. When do you need integration? when you enter the same data in multiple systems. This means manually copying information like customer details into separate applications, which is inefficient. For example, updating a customer's address separately in your CRM, billing, and support systems. This duplication wastes time and increases the risk of errors, making integration essential. When information is outdated across systems. This means data in one system does not match another, causing errors. For example, if a customer's address is updated in your CRM but remains old in your billing system, invoices may be sent to the wrong place. Keeping data synchronized prevents such costly mistakes and ensures business operations run smoothly. When processes take too long manually. This means tasks that should be quick are slowed by human steps or switching between systems. For instance, manually copying sales orders from an e-commerce site into your ERP is slow and prone to errors. Automating this integration saves significant time and reduces mistakes. When you need real-time information. This means your systems must share data instantly as events occur, without delay. For example, an online store updating inventory the moment a customer completes a purchase. This ensures all teams and processes are working with the latest, most accurate data. Understanding BTP's strategic position in the enterprise. BTP provides the platform for integration. This means it connects your different systems and applications, allowing them to share data and work together seamlessly. For instance, it can link your on-premise SAP ERP with a cloud-based CRM system. This unified approach is what enables true end-to-end business processes. Acts as a central hub connecting systems. This means BTP links different software and data sources together in one place. For example, it connects your on-premise SAP system with cloud applications like SuccessFactors. This central role ensures all your business processes can communicate and share information seamlessly. Manages security and reliability. This means BTP protects your applications and data from threats and ensures they run without interruption. For instance, it automatically handles user authentication and guards against attacks for an online store, so it stays secure and available to customers. This built-in protection lets you focus on building your solutions with confidence. You will use the BTP cockpit to set up integrations. This means using the web interface to connect your SAP and non-SAP applications so they can share data automatically. For instance, you can link your e-commerce site directly to your inventory system. This centralized tool makes managing these connections straightforward and efficient. You are ready for integration. Now you understand why integration matters. It ensures different systems work together seamlessly, preventing data silos and manual errors. For example, when a sales order in SAP S/4HANA automatically updates inventory in a warehouse system, staff always see accurate stock levels. This connectivity is essential for smooth, real-time business operations. You know basic integration concepts and terms. This means you understand how different systems connect and share data, like apps on your phone syncing. For example, when an online store updates inventory after a sale, that's integration in action. You are now equipped to apply this knowledge effectively. You can identify when integration is needed. This means recognizing when separate applications must share data to function together. For instance, when a sales order in your CRM system must automatically create a corresponding project in your project management tool. Mastering this skill ensures your business processes flow seamlessly and efficiently. Great foundation for learning BTP integration tools. This means you now have the essential knowledge to effectively use BTP's integration services. For instance, with your understanding, you can easily set up a simple API to connect your SAP system with a cloud application. This solid base ensures you can confidently explore and apply these tools in real projects.